drive traffic, improve customer experience, increase revenue, and maximize the effectiveness of your marketing using text messaging for retail promotions with Easy Texting. Text marketing for retail allows you to instantly share your best promotions with all your contacts using SMS coupons. Start a mobile-based loyalty program. Send text-to-win competitions, and reach targeted contacts through a channel designed to spark interest, strengthen relationships, and inspire action. 90% of text messages are opened and read within the first 3 minutes of receipt, meaning your target audience can be reached at home or on the go through the most intimate and immediate channel available today. Use the Easy Texting platform to build, deploy, and manage text marketing promotions using thoughtfully designed features including message templates, personalization tools, and features designed to grow your list fast. Drive more traffic, increase sales, and transform your customer experience with Easy Texting.